It is nearly 2 a.m. I was about to head to bed and I had a revelation. I think Eleven is looking for Will here. Hear me out, okay? I noticed that this scene and this scene seem to be at the same place, which is a cabin. So presumably Mike, Eleven, Joyce, and Hopper are all together, but that got me thinking, where the hell is Will? The last time we saw Joyce and Mike together was here, where Will is collapsed in her arms. But now Will is not at the cabin and Mike seems to have a bruise on his face. So I did some digging and I found this picture of Mike in the same clothes in the same cabin with the director of season 5 episode 6 Escape from Camazotz. So that Malevolent scene is probably from that episode. If you didn't already know, Camazotz is a reference to A Wrinkle in Time, which Ross Duffer confirmed was the inspiration for season 5 with this picture. In this book, a boy named Charles Wallace is possessed by the Big Bad, and he's essentially held hostage in an alternate dimension called Camazotz. So his sister has to go back and find him and save him. That's how they escape together. And now here we see Eleven in a sensory deprivation tank, presumably looking for someone. And to me, it's very reminiscent of season 1 when she's looking for Will. I think Vecna took Will here in this scene. In fact, if you look really closely at the picture of Vecna, in the top right you can see the Melvald's sign, which is right there. These two happen at the same place. And I think Eleven goes into the sensory deprivation tank to find her brother Will, just like Meg found Charles in A Wrinkle in Time, which would explain why Millie and Noah were filming together while she was in her wetsuit.